that you don't get hurt now.
Yeah, I have it turned this way because for some reason when he goes, he tends to get to the bottom of the hill and turn to the left, to the right.
Oh, okay.
So we just angled it a little bit more because he tends to go that way, so I angled it that way.
Well, that's a smart idea. Oh, I see what you did. So then that makes him come this way. Oh, yeah, that works nice.
Because when I had it straight, he was going off the side.
Right.
So when I angled it, he was hooray and on it. There's just enough water.
That must be the way the hill goes.